Well guys, I know that everybody wants to see more fun content on this channel, and that's why I have made up my mind that I'm actually going to sell the Camaro. So I'm just using it, getting some parts out of it and stuff like that, and then it's going to be gone, and then hopefully I can get back to doing what I do and make something fun. So we're going to, like I said, get some parts off of it, built trans, stuff like that, and then we're gonna get rid of it and move on. And I hope you guys know that this is not about this car at all. It's actually about this parts car that I have right over here. So I'm going to take a couple of things off of this car. I am going to get rid of the wheels, as you can see, sell them. We're gonna be making a little bit of money out of this car, built trans, to get this car running again. I am going to get this car going. We finally are gonna start working more on it. I've got a hot side turbo kit coming. We're gonna try and finagle some stuff and get this car back on the road. So I hope you guys are just as excited as I am, because I haven't gotten to work on this thing in pretty much like a year because of all kinds of things. So let's get into it. Let's get this Camaro back on the road, and I hope you guys enjoy the journey of building this car to be how I wanted it. I'm so excited to actually get into doing it again. So please stay tuned because we got a lot to do. And if you're new to the channel, this is my 1994 Chevy Camaro Z28. It is the LT1 V8. I have a lot of stuff done inside. I have it kind of torn apart right now because I'm actually taking out the HVAC panels and all that stuff. Gonna get a block off kit, but we have the custom race seats. The entire interior was redone in suede. And then I have a Cletus McFarlane steering wheel, of course. Hell yeah, brother. I got the door bars still to be welded in, painted, all that. The rest of it is pretty much in here. It's all black. Brom race seats, all kinds of carbon fiber trim, and I have other door panels to put on with the red Alcantara. There's all kinds of things done to this car. The wrap, obviously, which I did myself. Windshield banner, I make these and sell these. And again, huge stuff to be done to this car. I'm very excited to get back into doing it. And I hope you guys are just as excited as I am, like I said, because I have wanted to get this freaking car back on the road. It has been on jack stands since like maybe April or May or something of 2023. It is now September of 2024. So in case you don't know the math, that's a long time. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and utilize this parts car to make a couple things, such as a mock-up grill idea. So I'm probably going to cut out the center, stuff like that, and get an idea of what I'm gonna do over there on the turbo car. So let's go ahead, get into a couple things, but thank you guys for joining the ride. I appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can keep up with what is happening to this car as we go. Granted, it's still gonna be a while, guys, but we're gonna start making progress again. So stick with me. And broke. Looks good, but shouldn't be on there.